Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Mercedes A-Class that's come in for a full customization of the sound system. However, with pretty much everything completely hidden away. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this customer came into us, booked an audio consultation with me. It was actually a while ago now for the actual consultation. However, we spec'd it all, designed it, and then we've gone ahead with an absolutely lovely system. Customer was after a stock look pretty much in terms of the front doors and how he wanted the aesthetics to look inside the car. However, was disappointed with the Mercedes stock system. However, that is all changed and I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished product. In terms of the solution, we've got a complete array of different products in here. In terms of the front end, we've upgraded the actual tweeter in a stock location with the Audison Voce AV1.1 tweeter, a really nice sounding speaker, and also that is in a stock location. In terms of the driver in the door, we're using an Audison Voce 6.5-inch driver in a stock location. Again, everything on this system is done to the highest possible standards behind the scenes. So what's involved in actually getting a speaker like this into a door? First of all, is building an actual speaker adapter completely in-house to house the actual 6.5-inch driver. Then we've also acoustically soundproofed the front and rear doors plus the boot area. That makes a world of difference. Basically, there's three areas that we cover on soundproofing. You've got the back of this panel here. You've got the central panel where your speaker's actually bolted to, then you've got the back of the internal door card. So three areas get covered, and that's using Skin's 3mm layer. So basically about 50 odd sheets have gone into the vehicle from memory. Overall, a massive reduction in actual road noise, but also there's a far better acoustic environment for that new sound system to work in. So overall, that makes a world of difference, and soundproofing is an essential part of the system. This system is running what's called fully active, which we'll go through shortly, but we've also upgraded the rear speakers. These are using the Audison Prima range. However, these are the P versions of that Prima range. Basically, a slightly more kind of better built speaker in such within the Prima range to perform better. So we've got a separate tweeter and 6.5-inch driver located again in stock location, hidden away, out of the way you can't see a thing. This is all running what's called fully active off an amplifier. The amplifier we're using on this occasion is called the Audison Prima 8.9, but it's a Forza edition. It's running 85 watts per channel. So in essence, the way we configure the system, we've got 8 channels of amplification. We've got 2 channels running the tweeters. Channels 3 and 4 are actually what's called bridge to run onto the 6.5-inch Voce driver in the door, left door. Then 5 and 6 are running the driver in the actual driver's side door, and then 7 and 8 are going into a crossover onto the rear Prima speakers. So all 8 channels are being used on that setup, but we do have 9 channels of processing power in the 8.9. So we've got loads of kind of a really nice solution, packed for functionality in terms of how we can tune the vehicle, how we can make that sound live directly now into that unit. That's actually again hidden away behind a panel that's underneath the floor on this occasion. However, lots of different systems that we do, and these are all systems we designed during our audio consultation. Customers are after not only obviously upgrading the actual quality coming from that front end, but also wanted an overall sound stage. So what we've done is added those rear speakers which do fulfill that, and also we've added in a sub. Customers' requirements in terms of music taste, we've actually gone for the 10-inch Prima sub. It performs really nicely. It's sat on the floor, however, you can still put stuff on top of it. We can also do hidden solutions as well. Depending on the audio consultation, when I sit down with you and design it all, we can go through different options and options available to you guys for having either full stealth look or something completely custom and all on display. We literally do it all. There's all sorts of vehicles that we do, and this is just to highlight that, another one of our installs hitting the road with another very happy customer, I'm sure. We've also got full control via the DRC, which is actually hidden away in the sun visor, where your glasses sit at the top. So that you just press that and you've got full control via the DRC MP as well. So we've got pack loads of new products inside the vehicle. Not only does it sound amazing, I'm sure the customer's going to be over the moon with the finished product, but also behind the scenes, everything's done not only to the highest possible sound, or cable runs run alongside manufacturer wiring. It's just immense. This install's been lovely to do, but also I'm really happy to actually be showcasing videos like this to actually showcase the work that we're doing. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you are interested in something similar or something completely different, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms and we're more than happy to sit down with you. Come by and see us, sit down with you, we'll give you a full workshop tour, and then we'll also go through everything step by step with you, design, spec, and then install your new sound system. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon.